What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to cancel Spotify free trial, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, can you cancel Spotify before the end of the free trial? Of course you can. If you don't want to use it any longer, you can easily cancel it. So how to do it? Well, basically there are a couple of options. So under the you need to go to the Spotify website, of course, spotify.com/accounts if I'm not mistaken. Under the heading manage your subscription, click view your options. At the bottom of the following page, click here to continue to cancellation page. On the following page, select one of the listed reasons for leaving, then click the button cancel subscription. So as you can see, a question: can I cancel Spotify before free trial? You won't be charged if you cancel before the trial period ends. How long does it take for Spotify Premium to cancel? The cancellation for Spotify Premium is effective immediately, but you still have access to premium features until the end of your current billing period. So how do I cancel my Spotify free trial? On the app, on Android or iOS, select change plan, cancel premium, continue to cancel, yes, cancel. On desktop, go to available plans, cancel premium, continue to cancel, yes, cancel. So again, can I cancel my 30-day trial? How to cancel? As you can see, Spotify.com account, scroll to plan, cancel premium. So basically guys, quite an easy way to do it. You just need to go spotify.com/account and make sure to cancel premium. So guys, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and also keep in mind that it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That's it guys, thank you for watching, goodbye.